Good afternoon, everyone. It's Wynn Brown here with Haywood Healthcare's COVID-19 update for Friday, the 19th of June. We swung into the second half of June, and the weather is beautiful, so hopefully everybody's going to get some great time outside this weekend. I thought I'd shoot outside just to encourage you today. Those birds are actually real birds, not what we piped in. So get outside and enjoy yourselves and take advantage of the summer weather that is here. Let's get right to our testing where we are today. We have tested 6,786 patients with 6,209 negative results, 505 positive, 77 indeterminate, and that number indeterminate has been sitting there for a while. Our 10-day rolling average is down to 1.03% positive versus the state at 2.4 on its 7-day rolling average. So we're in good shape there. Worcester County's cases have increased to 12,032, and Franklin County just at 354. So, and we sit right between those two counties, and I think we're doing our part as a community to tamp down the pandemic with our very low positive rate. So let's keep that up. At Haywood Hospital, we have one positive patient in-house and several under investigation. We got a new supply of rapid flu tests in, so we are going to be testing some of those patients today that we're waiting for their send-out tests to do that more rapidly. That'll lower our PPE burn and really lower the burden on our nursing staff, in particular on Watkins 1. This is the wrap-up for the week, so some of what I'm going to tell you might have already heard earlier, but we want to make sure everybody gets the information. First, we are adding a suggestion box at the end of this constant contact email that goes out. If you have an idea, whether you're a staff member or a community member, of something we can be doing or shouldn't be doing or want to do something differently, please let us know. We want to be responsive to the community, and we encourage you to take a moment to do that if you have something you want to share directly with us. I know some of you are wondering what happened to our annual golf classic, the Watkins Faust Golf Classic. That is still happening, but not in a group format. It's going to be happening over the course of a number of weeks this summer, where foursomes can go out and play at Oak Hill and then submit their scores, and then we'll celebrate in some fashion at the end. I'd like to just note some of our early leadership sponsors, our friends at Royal Steam Heater, Workers Credit Union, Cushing Academy, Four Green Solutions, and Rollstone Bank, who are lead sponsors for us, so thank you for that. Community testing continues to be very successful on the Haywood campus, so if you want to get tested, the phone number is 630-6186. You do not have to have signs and symptoms. We will test anybody now, and we give you an appointment slot, and you pull in behind the annex building across the street, and we will get you tested very promptly. I've done it. It's quick. It's easy. And in addition, we can also schedule that for you at Tully. If you live on the western part of our service area, we can do that at Tully Family Medicine and walk-in care as well. Just an update on employee furloughs. We had about 404 of our staff were affected by some of the downstaffing we did in the midst of the pandemic, and we have all but 29 of our staff back working. So 93% have returned to work, which is fantastic. Also this week, we were ranked by Dexter for one of the best hospitals in Massachusetts with the lowest skilled nursing facility discharge rates for hip and knee replacement surgeries in Massachusetts. So that is fantastic, and I think just speaks to the incredible orthopedic surgery that we provide to our community, and a shout out to our OR team and our orthopedic practice for the great work that they're doing. Peak Orthopedics is just a very talented group, and appreciate the work that they are doing. Athol Strong and Haywood Strong apparel is back, and there's a link if you want to buy some of that apparel. Just click on that and you can order it online. We are in the midst of CNA week, and so we're doing some things this week and next week to celebrate CNAs across our health system for the great work that they do at the bedside, and we appreciate their work. It's also Pride Month, and on June 15, the Supreme Court ruled that LGBTQ workers are protected from job discrimination, something that we have always upheld at Haywood Healthcare, and we celebrate this landmark decision and support it wholeheartedly. Just a reminder, if you are coming in for an appointment, for an outpatient appointment, and you feel that you need someone to escort you, because right now we are still limiting visitors into the facility, which largely has to do with having enough space to physically distance everyone, and we're working on some solutions to that. When you're setting up that appointment, they need to know that you need to have someone with you, and that list will be at the front door of Haywood and Athol hospitals when you arrive, and also in the practices, so that you can have someone. So just make sure that you speak up and talk about that when you're scheduling an appointment with us. Today, we are celebrating the retirement of Dave Lucier, who's our long-term courier and just an all-around fantastic Haywood representative. And, you know, typically we would have a tea or we'd have something fun to do, but we can't really gather like that. And so I just want to give a shout out to Dave for his incredible work. And I think we're going to give him a nice send-off today as he leaves in his final day with us. But always a member of the family, but now he gets to retire and enjoy himself and all his free time in this great weather. So congratulations, Dave. And just a reminder that we have open positions in security, in door screeners, in environmental services, which is our housekeeping department. Please take a look at our website. There's also a link off of this as well, so that you can perhaps consider joining our family as we really continue to ramp up and have some new opportunities. So please take a look at that. I hope you all have a great weekend. It's Father's Day weekend, so hopefully you get to celebrate with your family, all the dads out there, as we continue our journey to be one of the best community-owned health systems in America. Take care.